Namaskar, I am Dr. Aparna and today I am going to talk about the varieties of dental practices. Most of the time it does happen that the patient visiting to our dental clinic doesn't even know that what type of a specialist or which specialist is best suited for their particular dental problem. So to start with, dentistry has 9 specialties, and to specialize in any particular field the BDS dentist has to complete another 3 years of studies to achieve a master's degree, that is master's in dental surgery. Now these specialties are oral surgery, endodontics, endodontics of pediatric dentistry, periodontics, prosthodontics, orthodontics, and 3 non-clinical fields. These are oral pathology, oral radiology, and public health dentistry. So let us first start with the oral surgery. The oral surgeons are the dentists who specialize in removing your teeth or other surgical procedures in your mouth. So if you have the tooth which is badly damaged, that it cannot be preserved or saved, and extraction of the tooth is the only option, then these dentists can be your best choice. Now other surgical procedures which they perform may range from jaw surgeries, fracture treatment, cleft lip and palate treatment, surgical excision of any of the tumor from your mouth, and much more. Now coming to endodontics. Endodontists, these are the dentists who specialize in preserving your tooth by treating the nerve tissue of the tooth or the dental pulp. In simple words, they are your root canal treatment specialist. The root canal treatment may range from multiple sittings to a single sitting depending upon the severity of infection. Now we will see the periodontics or the pediatric dentistry. They are the child specialists. They specialize in treating or handling a variety of dental problems among children ranging from early shedding of the teeth, discoloration in teeth, any trauma, dental cavity, tooth pain, and much more. Now the periodontics. They are the gum specialist. So if you have any problem associated with the gums of the teeth, then you can contact them. Now these problems may range from gummy smile, receding of the gums from the tooth surface, maybe foul smell from your mouth, or the swelling gums or the bleeding gums, and any. Now comes the prosthodontics. They are the dentists who specialize in providing an artificial tooth or the artificial denture in replacement of a missing teeth. These dentures may range from complete denture, partial denture, dental implants, or crown or bridges. In simple terms, they are your crown and bridge specialist. Now coming to orthodontics. Orthodontics is a branch which deals in correcting the irregularly placed or irregularly aligned teeth. The problems may range from forwardly placed teeth, spacing between the teeth, overlapping of teeth, and much more. In today's time, we have a wide range of braces which can be used in treating the irregularly aligned teeth in different age groups. Now we will look at the 3 non-clinical fields. These are oral pathology, oral radiology, and the public health dentistry. To start with, oral pathology. This is the branch which deals in pathological testing of the diseases of the mouth. In simple words, like biopsies and many other tests which the oral pathologists perform to confirm the disease. Now coming to the oral radiology. This is the branch which deals in studying variety of dental diseases of the mouth on the basis of radiological results like the CT scans, MRIs, X-rays, OPGs, etc. Now coming to the last but not the least, public health dentistry. This is the branch which deals in creating an awareness among the masses regarding variety of dental problems, their prevention and treatment. These dentists arrange a variety of dental camps in the schools, colleges, offices, and the residential societies to educate the masses, do the dental checkup, and also provide some of the on-site treatments. Well, see you again in another video. Till then, be happy and keep smiling. Namaskar.